Guys, this is your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be part 2 of the overall just backtesting in order to show you guys, what type of information is within the course. Now, I'm not really teaching the information that's within the course. I'm just going to show it to you and show you, what types of behaviors and what types of habits and patterns you guys are going to develop once you study the information that's within the course that's releasing. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right, click that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the first portion and you're excited about the second portion. If you guys do have any questions, of course, always contact me. It's currently 6:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'm a little tired. But I wanted to knock this video out for you guys since I've been getting so many questions about what type of information is within the course. I figured I'd just show you guys instead of saying, oh, you're gonna learn about this, you're gonna learn about that, rather just show you on the charts. So we chose, for those of you who don't know, we chose a random area on AUD USD, a push to the downside on a leg. Now we're just backtesting the area, and I'm showing you guys different confluences that you'll be looking for. I'm not really teaching it, like I said. I want the course to do that, but I am showing you. So here, just to frame this, we are on an M15 pullback. Price has broken structure to the downside. Sellers are definitely in control in this area, and we have a reaction here. We're playing off of this reaction on the M15 time frame. Now we are, as you guys can see, price has pushed above the discount, above the equilibrium of this overall leg here. So this pullback is valid for us to actually look for sells. Okay, so if we go ahead and start playing this out, okay, so there it is. Okay, so we do wick above here. All right. And then we start to pull to the downside. So great. Once we start to pull to the downside, I'm automatically going ahead and framing what it is that I want to see price, do, so to speak. We've pulled into a supply zone on the M15 time frame, right? So on the higher time frame, right, do we create imbalance within this area? Check. Do we break some type of structure? Check. Do we have inducement? Right here, check, right? So where's the order block? Here, right? Now, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the previous video, okay, of how I define an order block. What is an order block? Go check that out. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a thumbs up on that video because I give you guys my confluences for order blocks. So feel free, go check it out. So within this area here, let's go ahead and play price out. Okay. So what I'm noticing, and remember, I'm not going to teach, I'm just showing you what's in the course, what it is you're going to learn. Okay? So this is what I'm seeing. So this being my initial important area, I would love to see how price would react to this here. Yeah, let's see. Well, even this here, this is a great, yeah, this entire area. All right, 2 pips is always going to be my minimum. Now, before we play out, let's talk about targets. M15 swing low. Here, perfect. And I mean, you could really target this demand as well. This is just how I like to place my targets. So I would want to see something like this take place, personally. We could come to the apex here, but it wasn't, really responsible for we do have a minor break here. Well, yeah. Do we have imbalance created? Absolutely. Okay, yeah, we do have an apex here. So if price does blow through this, right, and that's minus 1%, then we'll look to see what price does here. But we know we do have a valid opportunity for sellers to come into the market, which is what we care about. Okay, so price creates a weak high here. Wasn't able to break below this area. Price is going to sweep this. Perfect. So here, okay, so we did get tapped in. We have a lot of bullish momentum behind us, right? So we may get tagged out here, and if we do, that's fine. We could possibly look for more sells here. We just have to see what happens. This area here, I would want to be swept. Equal highs. So this is giving me confidence for this area here to also be swept, because we pretty much have equal lows. So this is telling me that price is creating liquidity down here. Price to later come back and sweep. Okay, so this could also be, if we do respect this area, this here could be a possible order block. All right, let's see how it unfolds, but we could create imbalance. We could, we could basically cover all of our confluences. So let's see what happens. All right, we just have to wait. So, okay, let's see. Can we continue? Looks like we're pulling back to the upside possibly. Okay, looks like we're good. There you go. So the entry was what time? 4:35 a.m. London session, Eastern Standard Time, which is, London session. Okay, so it looks like price respects this area overall. Once you get 1 to 4, right? Possibly, you may want to move your stop loss. It's up to you how you want to manage the trade. It should be personal to everyone. Okay, so let's talk about what price could do next, right? Let's say you wanted to get another entry of some sort. So I'd pay attention to, well, this area here for sure, this area here possibly. I would say this area here. Does price come back? It doesn't look like price comes back. And then we finally get tagged. So, I mean, you were in this trade for a couple of hours, but so 2 hours and 12 minutes, right? But that's not bad. And then, it fulfilled what we were thinking based on the higher time frame, right? So that was just an example of the type of materials that would have been a 9% trade, right? So on a $100,000 funded FTMO account, that's a $9,000 trade in 2 hours. It's $9,000 in 2 hours. Come on, guys. Come on. Who can pay you upwards of $4,000 to $5,000 an hour? What company? Even if you have a business, you can scale it to that model, but that takes a lot of scaling. That takes major scaling. To make $5,000 an hour, that's major scaling. It's just all percentages. So that's an example of a trade that you would have been able to catch right, with the information that's within the liquidity course. Super excited about releasing it to you guys. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you guys for all the questions. I love it when you guys ask me questions. I actually invited one of our YouTube subscribers to my masterclass session on Sunday. Maybe I'll do, giveaways like that. Instead of just doing crypto giveaways, maybe we'll do some giveaways which include, joining in on like a group session with me and some mentorship students. If you're interested in joining the mentorship program, click the link in the description. If you're interested in, let's say you want to see what points of interest I'm looking at price to travel back towards with like a simple explanation, feel free to join my Telegram channel. First link in the description. All right, check that out. Click on the link, join. I'd love to have you guys there. So we can all make some money together. All right, I'm going to go ahead and call it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content so far. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoyed the video, and yeah, leave a like. Thanks.